guys, just got a package from Justin Estrada. I've already opened it, but let me show you what I got. Table. Yeah. Let's put pieces to the table. And got a basic 2980 girl. Looks pretty nice. Eddie Guerrero is one of my favorite wrestlers. Well, was one of my favorite wrestlers, but yeah. Got Latino right there. And his boots look way better than his Legends Elite figure, which I got right here. They're kind of like a lighter gold, I guess. I don't know, but it doesn't look like this, which this looks better. But yeah, I'm sending him this basic Big Show right here with the old Money in the Bank briefcase. But yeah, comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching.